welcome back to my channel. I don't know why I did that, but I'm about to do an unboxing. Yeah. Show you guys what I bought off of Scenery, one of my favorite apps. Get back to it. Oh. Most of this stuff I bought from off of Temu is for my business. So just gonna unboxing and show you guys what I bought. I ordered some decals. I think I ordered a couple decals and some straws, I think, but y'all don't need to see. To put on my shop, in my shop. I ordered a couple of those. Well, this is cute. So much. Oh, look at a stitch. I won't show you that all of them individually, but yeah, these are some of the things that I ordered off of Temu. These color ones, a different version of this color. Well, I showed you guys this one earlier. This is horoscope decals to put on my shop and on the cups as well. And these are the next set. These are flowers. The flowers. You can't really see this one too much because of the lighting. Coffee ones. I think I ordered some straws. Oh no, these are the straw cleaners. These are the straw cleaners. What is this? Oh, these are the mica powders. I might be doing. Yeah. Not might. I will be doing mica powder small cups as well. I think these are the straws. And it's glass straws. Probably that's why they have it wrapped up like this. Yes. Does anybody else get excited when they get packages? I do. They even come with a straw cleaner. But yeah, these are the glass straws. These are glass straws too. There's like 30. They will be going up on my shop to sell. So yeah. And this big baby here are my snow globe cups. That's what is in this box. Let me open it. Of course I open it upside down. These are my cups. Oil lid. I would be doing more sizes and different color lids. And I'll also be going up on my shop as well. So I do have another unboxing. I don't know when that package is coming in, but that package consists of my skincare and some other stuff. But stay tuned and like, share, and subscribe. Bye guys.